It was 950. I got it for 900. 50 रुपए बार्गेन किया है मैडम ने.
So am I supposed to shop everything of my choice for you?
Yes.
Like
What do you
everything?
think will look good on me, basically?
Oh damn, that's a pressure. Do you like sweatshirts?
Yes.
I think you do.
Yes, Rajvi. Yes. Thank God. If you guys know me, I love sweatshirts, and I was like praying that she chooses something that has my comfort zone in it.
This one is, I think, thoda cute and different. It's cute.
Yeah, it is.
Thoda, do you want oversized? We will go with
Yes.
bigger size.
Yes.
There's thoda M या L size. No.
Oh wow, she's doing so well so far. She knows I like oversized
I
things.
started well. It's cute. I like that. ये कितना वाला है? This is for me.
750.
Bro, do you
Oh, that has an A in it.
ये अच्छा है. You know, actually मैं I'm thinking with the factor of Aryan. मेरे को ऐसा दिमाग में आ ही नहीं रहा कि Amin भी है, Imin भी है. It's giving bomber jacket feel. Turn. Bro, it's not bad, actually. The color is also looking good on you.
Think about it, Rajvi.
We shall see.
ये वाली
I think 1,000. I'm
निकालो.
saying 900. भैया कर दो ना.
नहीं हो पाएगा बहन, हो तो मना नहीं करता.
950 चलो. अभी भी इतना तो हो ही सकता है.
डिजाइन नहीं छोड़े ना. ले लीजिए भाई.
Rajvi gets extra points every time she bargains.
Then I'm already winning, bro. I'm already winning.
Why is it? Because you're good at bargaining.
Yep. I know I am.
Subscribe. And this is how you gain followers, guys. This is the shop's name. कर दिया.
Record.
Oh, that's so cute. I'm just a girl.
I am taking it. See मेरी मेहनत पूरा रैक छूटा.
This is how she gets good things in when she street shops.
ऐसा ढूंढो ना एक. Same. हम दोनों को ट्विन करना है. Yay! We found it. Baby will twin. We found two. I think pink is a nice color.
Pink is nicer than black.
Yep.
I want.
This is for me, bro. This is for me. Plant your style. Street
देख रहे हो guys?
This is for me. This is for
This
you.
is what happens when you shop with the shop. But yeah, it's a very cute color.
I really like this. इस पे पीछे लिखा हुआ है. It's all Delulu.
Lol.
And there's like a mind blast happening here. I don't know. But I like this. But I don't know. It's too big for you. भाई मेरे को तो ड्रेस की जैसे हो जाएगा.
This is why you're single, Rajvi.
I read this and I skipped it because love क्या. But then this is yeah.
This is why she's single, guys.
That's true. कुछ तो कर सकते हो.
Come on, Rajvi, you can do it.
I mean the prices are decent, so I'm not fighting with them.
नहीं कोई बात.
Round figure कर दिया. है?
हाँ.
कैसे? 500. Yay! Pink. It's cute. I've stopped for pants and we like this black pants which is nice and ripped.
ये ज़्यादा लूज लग रहा है.
हाँ. हमने पिंक बहुत ले लिया क्या?
एक ही pink लिया, I think. No, two. Even the jacket we took.
No.
Rajvi enters and Bhaiya already knows her. She's like, hi Rajvi. Do you come here that often?
Bandra में तो it's my
Everybody knows Rajvi here.
which is so much in trend right now. So either we go with something like this or classic bow.
So guys, Rajvi is shopping for herself right now. No, she's been shopping for herself for the last 20 minutes now. I found jewelry and you should know how much I love jewelry. So I couldn't resist. ये तो मेरी है ये. So I actually have shot this video in the past once with Sakshi and she had a 1 hour timer and a budget as well. Rajvi has no timer, no budget because I'm being nice to her even though she is the fashion blogger. Sakshi is not even a fashion blogger. So actually you should be much faster. But I think we're almost done.
Yeah, we shopped so much for you. Should I get?
You are still here.
But I'm bargaining. I'm taking those final pieces. Not bargaining.
I went and bought something on my own. No, see it later. I want your reaction.
I got really excited हो गई.
No, I want your reaction. So guys, Rajvi is still in
भैया
the
बोल रहे मैडम घर पे जाना है.
closing time. It's their closing time and she's still shopping.
Yeah.
And I also went and bought something on my own. I want Rajvi's reaction on it, so I will not show you guys the outfit yet.
मैं तो आपकी बेटी जैसी हूँ ना, आती रहती हूँ. I'm taking these for you.
Wow!
This ring and this is from my side. It's a hug ring.
Aww.
So
Now it feels like Rajvi is always hugging me.
yeah,
I'll never take it off.
yeah, good girl.
Wow! Rajvi is hugging me, guys. I didn't go to the gym today and this is my weight training, guys.
So guys, we are back from our shopping spree and we are finally going to give you guys a haul of everything that Rajvi picked out for me. But before that, let me give you a little disclaimer. I felt like Rajvi was choosing a lot of outfits that I would genuinely wear rather than choosing outfits that you would think would look good on me.
Yeah. Because you're spending your money, so I wanted.
Arey yaar, but still that's the whole purpose of my friend buying outfits for me.
I know, but I sort of had in my head whenever I was seeing stuff, I was like, this is her vibe. This is something that she liked.
Yeah, I know.
So I didn't go over the board.
Even I know
and
this.
I didn't add my style to my choices. So I was
know
very when I was picking stuff, I was very like, yeah, she liked it.
Should I rate all these outfits?
Yeah.
This is the first thing that she picked out for me, and it's this brown color top. It looks like one of these H&M tops. Have you seen? I've seen this
That
top.
vibe, yeah.
I would rate this top a 9 because this is something that I would definitely pick out. Like this is something that I would choose for myself. The next one is this A
Oversized jacket, but it has initial A on it.
Yeah, when I saw the A, I was like, oh my god,
Oh my god, it has A.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god, it has A. And this I would give it like a 7.
Yeah, I know. She was not sure when I was like, "ये लेते हैं," and her face was like not sure. But then I was like, try because तुम्हारे पास ऐसा कुछ है नहीं है, so go for it. इसका I think he was saying 750 and इसका he was saying 350. So it summed up to something 1100 and then मैंने bargain किया था and then he came up to 900. Yes.
Yeah. Next is this net pink color top. Again, I've not tried any of this, so I don't know how it looks on me. But this top, I would give it like a 10.
See, it's your vibe. That is why I chose it.
I think
know.
it's really cute. This is something that I would definitely buy myself. I like the bell sleeves and all that. Like once I style it and stuff, you'll know how it looks. But then this is very cute. I like the whole crochet look on it.
Yeah. This was 350? Yeah.
I don't know actually. When we were buying, I was just like
350.
So next we picked out this. She picked out this pink color jacket. I would rate this a 10.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I'll tell you why I like it, because it's a jacket. I love jackets. And second of all, I don't have a pink color jacket.
Yeah, it's a very cute color.
I don't have a pink color jacket, so that's why I was actually looking for a pink color jacket. And it's oversized. So
cute, yaar.
So that's why I would give this a 10. This is something that I would buy myself as well. How much did you pay for this?
यहाँ पे we paid 1,000 for 2 t-shirts and 1 jacket.
Yeah. Good job, Raji. Good job. We all need a Rajvi in our lives. This I think you bought this without even me seeing that you were. I didn't know you even bought this.
I like the color and it's so nice.
What does it say?
oversized. I don't know. It's something for you.
For you.
It's coming for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like the color. It's really cute.
Oh, this you forgot. This was from the first shop, bro. So, okay, let me take over. This is a top which I saw, and she was rushing. She was बार-बार बोल रही थी, guys, Mumbai girls, especially, no doubt, बार-बार complain कर रही थी, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत गर्मी है. Right?
It is very hot.
So she was complaining, and I was looking at this rack जो बहुत ऐसे कोने में था, and then I was hunting, and she was like कि बस अभी ऐसा, you were like कि let's go, I'm hungry. But then I spotted this, and then as soon as I saw this, I was like, भैया इसमें एक और ले आओ छोटी साइज में, and we both bought the same top, and I was like really twin. So this is really cute.
She bought the same top for herself, so we put two in.
Yes, so I think this was 200 rupees, guys. So Pinteresty this is.
Yeah.
How can you miss on this? It's so cute.
She actually hunted for it, guys.
Yes.
She hunted, and she like, good job. Your hunting paid off.
Yep.
Very nice, and I like the material. It's very nice.
Yeah,
So,
you know, soft है ना?
bro,
It's a 11 on 10. That's such a cute top. It's 11 on 10. It has to be.
Yeah.
And ऊपर से उसमें भी वो twin होने वाला है हमारा, तो it's 11 on 10.
I would give it a 11 on 10 only because she bought the same thing for herself, and now we're twinning. So it was very cute, guys.
Yeah.
Then we got this black color bottoms. It's like a baggy ripped jeans. I like it because it's nice and baggy, and I wear such.
Yeah. And
pure.
it's not black, you know. It's that wash black, जो it's giving that grey
Yeah.
थोड़ा. So it's, I think I liked it very.
How much did you pay for this?
600.
Really?
Yeah. It's so good. H&M you get it for 1200, 1500, bro.
That's what I was thinking. Like these street shoppings are like so reasonable and so cheap.
Yeah.
Same thing, you buy it in a proper store, it'll be so much more expensive. So
Yeah.
So first she picked out these bow earrings, and I think these bows are very trendy.
Yep,
so everything,
they are.
Yeah, so we got these.
And my
bows.
first question was, do you have something like this? She said no, and I was like, we're getting it.
She bought me this hug ring.
Wear it.
Wait, it's not focusing. So she bought me this hug ring, so that it reminds me of her, and it looks like she's hugging me.
Yep.
So cute. It's so freaking cute. I think it's so.
It's like arms, you know, wrapped around. Essay.
And
While we hug.
Yeah, now I feel like this is Rajvi's.
And also wait. Okay, why especially I took this, because I've told her that she gives the best hugs, you know. So this is, oh yeah, this has to be something. And I saw this, I was like, ये मेरी तरफ से मैं दे रही हूँ.
So cute.
So-
Yeah, she's told me this in the past.
Yeah.
I'm when you give the best, warmest hugs.
Yep.
So now this hug ring will remind me of Rajvi. Now I know I'll not take it off. I'll not take it off. She picked this out for me. This is like a butterfly ring. These two things I chose on my own. It's like a necklace. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe I'll show you guys properly later. Why is it not focusing? This, and then also this heart-shaped rings.
Hoops.
Yeah, hoops. Rajvi is kind of obsessed with jewelry. So she started shopping for herself in the jewelry store.
Guilty!
And then what happened was Rajvi started shopping in the jewelry store. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go now. So I went to the next store, which was like a clothing store, and I did shopping for myself. I know it's like cheating in the challenge, but yeah, I saw something in the second store and I was like, okay, let me buy it.
So I don't know what she's
Yeah.
shopped, so
She doesn't know because I was like, I'm gonna keep it as a surprise and I'm gonna show it to you later to get your reaction basically. I want your honest opinion and review on it. Okay?
yep, let's see.
I got a cord set.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice. I really wanted to pick one for you, like a quad set.
So the first thing are these like formal pants.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'll
Very
wear it in-
safe and nice.
Yeah, and then the top is what made me buy the pants.
Oh,
It's like a tube top.
Oh, wow.
It's a tube top.
Okay, I'm impressed.
It's a tube top with these pockets and all that with this formal pants.
nice, very nice.
How much did I pay for this? 2,000.
For the set,
I
did
don't
you
remember.
bargain?
I don't remember how much I paid for it.
Did you bargain?
How much would you rate my own like?
Oh no, see you got very smart. Quad sets are always very safe. उसमें भी black color. उसमें भी this is a style which is like a very formal style. So it's a safe 10 on 10, bro. Proud.
Yeah, I know it is actually.
I hope
safe,
it fits you well, bus, because
Yeah.
fitting is very important. If it fits you well, it's a
Yeah, that's
सोने पे सुहागा.
We'll see once I tried how it
Yeah.
looks on it. And then I also bought these pants, but then this is for my gym.
Oh, nice.
I like the material of it. It's like it's nice and soft.
Nice.
Yeah.
I don't like such colors. मुझे बहुत कम पसंद
They
आते
didn't
हैं.
have. I wanted it in a white. Like I wanted it in white. They didn't have it in white.
But it's nice. The material is really
Yeah,
nice.
I actually bought it for the material. Bro, this was now I remember it was 900. Because you know what, this was not really.
Did you not bargain?
You know what, this was not really a street shop. It was
I know.
inside
It was बाजू में ही ना.
it was 950. I got it for 900.
50 रुपए बार्गेन किया है मैडम ने. ये सीखा है मेरे से. ये मेरा नाक कपा रही है भाई.
Guys, I know. I was thinking about it the whole time. I was like, oh my god, what is this bargaining I'm doing? These are the two kinds of people, guys.
Yeah.
One who knows how to bargain and shop, and one who's just like, oh, 950, 940 में दे दो भैया. So yeah, guys, that was our my friend buys my outfits for me challenge. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also Raji's YouTube channel.
We also have another video planned which is gonna go on my feed.
Yeah.
So we don't know what that video is about, but
We've
it's gonna
not
be
shot her
something
video.
fun only. But yeah.
Yeah, we've not shot Raji's video yet, but yeah, hopefully it'll be up on her channel soon. Go and motivate her to post more on YouTube.
Yes, please.
She's pretty inactive. She posts once in a month.
I have a big motivation right here. Still, I'm not able to post.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being a part of our video and our challenge today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Love ya. Bye.